What sound is this? This sound. This sound. Eh. What sound is this? This sound. R. And how about this one? M. D. Okay, now let's check. Here we got pictures. Start with the sound k. K. Back k. What is this? Okay, point to the pictures. You know. Yeah, how it is? K. Okay. Now point to the picture. Back. Where is the cat? A cat. Where's the cat? Good. A cookie. Yes, cookie. Where is a cake? A cake. Birthday cake. Where's the cake? This is a cake. Here, cake. Where's a cow? Yes. Where's the car? Driver car. Yes. Candy. Good. A carrot. Yes. Now, this is the sound k. What is this? How about this? Where is a kangaroo? Yes, it's a kangaroo. Where is a kite? Fly a kite. Kites are flying in the sky. It is the sound kite. Where is a kiwi? It's a kind of fruit. Kiwi. Where's kitchen? Yes. Where's the key? Open the door with a key. This is a key. Now this sound. What is this? Okay. Now where is the elbow? Back elbow. Where is the elbow? This is an elbow. Where is the excavator? Yes, it's an excavator. Yeah, where is the envelope? Where? Envelope. This is an envelope. Where is the eggplant? This is an eggplant. Elephant. Where? Elephant. Now this sound. Back. What is this? What is this? How about this? Where is the house? House. This is a house. Where is a hot dog? Yes. Hamburger. Yes. Hand. Clap your hand. Where is the hand? Hand. Where is a horse? No. Horse. This is a horse. Where's hippo? Yes. A hat. Good. This sound. R. What is this? R. Where is a rabbit? Rabbit. Yes. Where's the robot? Yes. Where is the rainbow? Can you see it? R. Yes. Where is the color red? Red color. Good. Where is the rice? This is rice. This sound mama. Who is this? Mama. Where is the monkey? Monkey. Where's the milk? Yes. Mouse. A mouse. This is a mouse. Mummy. Yes, mummy. Now, this sound the. What is? Okay. Who is this? The. Daddy. Where's the dinosaur? Yes, it's a dinosaur. Where's the duck? 5 little ducks went out one day. The duck. Duck. Where's the dog? A dog. The dog. Where is the donut? Back. Donut. See me play on my drum. The drum. The Run. Where's the doctor? Doctor. Yes, the doctor. Okay, thank you, Bob. That's all for today.